Hello everyone, today we are going to review this book of Vinod publication. Its name is Education Society Curriculum and Learners. The cover of this book is very nice. It's a DLIT ETT first year book. It's strictly according to the new syllabus prescribed by State Council of Education Research and Training SCERT Punjab. So this book is in Punjabi medium. It's a bestseller book of Vinod publication, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. So let's quickly review this book. Cover of this book is very nice. Let's now review it. Education Society Curriculum and Learners. First of all, let's check the syllabus. Unit 1, Philosophical Understanding of Education. Then Unit 2, Education, Politics and Society. Then Unit 3, Learning, Learner and Teaching. Then Unit 4, Language and Curriculum. Now we have to check the contents and verify it with syllabus. Like Unit 1, Philosophical Understanding of Education, Meaning of Education, Exploring and Inquiring Education, Indian Concept of Education. So let's check this out. It's still vocational aim of education. Let's verify Unit 1 in syllabus. Exploring and understanding into nature and need of education of human societies. Till it's still society aims of education. So Unit 1 is absolutely clear. You have to check out Unit 2, Education, Politics and Society. Characteristics of education in India during colonial rule and introduction. Till a critical appraisal of teacher status. I have to check out Unit 2 of syllabus. Education, Politics and Society, prominent characteristics of education in India during colonial rule till a critical appraisal of teacher status in Indian society. So Unit 2 is also very clear. Now we have to check out Unit 3, Learning, Learner and Teaching. Concept and nature of learning, knowledge, learning, knowledge, skill. It's still factors that shape learner's identity. So we have to check out now Unit 3 of syllabus. Concept and nature of learning, different ways of learning, till understanding social influence and factors that shape learner's ability. So Unit 3 is absolutely clear too. Now we have to check out Unit 4, Knowledge and Curriculum. Construction of knowledge, meaning, execution, types of field trips. Till inclusion and exclusion of knowledge of different social groups in curriculum and textbooks. Check out Unit 4 now. Verify which syllabus. Children construction of knowledge, attaining knowledge through activity and experience. Till knowledge and power, representation, inclusion and exclusion of knowledge of different social groups in curriculum and textbooks. So all the 4 units are absolutely clear. Contents cover everything of the syllabus. The medium, the contents are covered in both Punjabi and English language, so that both English and Punjabi kind of readers can all easily read this book and understand it easily. Now we have to check out the page number which are given in front of contents. Are these accurate or not? For example, if I go to page number 85, whether I'll find aims of Muslim education. Page 85, aims of you can check aims of Muslim education is completely there. Now we have to check out one more page. If I go to page number 270, National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education should be there. Page 270. You can check it out. Page 270, Framework for Teacher Education is completely there. So you can check it out. Page numbers are also very rightly mentioned. There's no problem in that. The price of in the back side of the book, ETT books for first year and second year also mentioned. You can check them out. Of first year SCERT Punjab new session. The price of the book is 229.50 rupees only. It's available on Flipkart and Amazon, or you can call them directly at Vinod Publications at 9218-219218, and book will be delivered to you within just 3-4 days only. You can also buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location at 229.50 rupees only. You can go to Facebook, Twitter and YouTube of Vinod Publications and check out other books also. You can email them at vinodpublicationsindia@gmail.com if you have any query, and if you have any complaint and regarding any book, you can go to the helpline email ID at help@vinodpublications.com. You can visit their website at www.vinodpublications.com if you want to check out other books also. So 229.50 is the only price of the book. Buy it online on Flipkart, Amazon, or call them directly at 9218219218, or buy it from any available bookstore nearby your location. It's your choice. 229.50. I highly recommend Education Society Curriculum and Learners DL ETD first year book, bestseller, SCERT Punjab, in Punjabi medium. So I highly recommend this book. Must definitely buy this book of Vinod Publications, which is the most trusted publishing firm of India. It will definitely help in exams. Must buy it. Thank you so much.